This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Huawei Watch Fit 4. First, power on your new device by holding the side button for approximately 3 seconds until the logo appears. Next, download the Huawei Health app on your smartphone and open it to begin the pairing process. Simply tap Add Device, select your Watch Fit 4, and follow the simple on-screen instructions to connect it wirelessly. Your watch should be ready to go in under 3 minutes, giving you a smooth start. Staying connected is easy with your Watch Fit 4. Swipe down from the watch face to see all your latest notifications, including text messages and app alerts. A quick swipe to the right brings up convenient widgets for weather forecasts, your music controls, and activity rings. You can effortlessly manage your smartphone's music, skipping tracks, or adjusting volume without ever pulling out your phone. This makes daily tasks more streamlined and efficient. Your Watch Fit 4 is an excellent health companion, providing valuable insights into your well-being. It continuously monitors your heart rate, offering real-time data and alerts if it detects anything unusual. Choose from over 95 workout modes to track your exercise, from an outdoor run to a yoga session, recording precise data like calories burned and distance covered. It even intelligently analyzes your sleep, giving you scores and tips for better rest. Once your mobile operations center is perfectly aligned, enter it on foot. As soon as you are inside, exit the MOC again on foot. Now, slowly walk towards the Tengkar garage entrance. A prompt to enter the garage will appear. Select the option to enter on foot. This sequence often triggers the duplication glitch successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.